Welcome to the Egg Race Challenge. Very simple. This is gonna be every family member for themselves. Come join us, family. We have challenger number 1 here, Miss Monkey. Challenger number 2, Mr. Monkey. And we have Mama Bee. We're all gonna be going head to head here, and we are going to race with an egg
on our spoon, and we have to see who gets to the end and while not dropping this egg.
And
is it a hard-boiled egg or not?
We are going hardcore today. This is not. This is a raw egg.
So if you drop it, it's raw and it's gonna go everywhere.
Game over.
Ooh. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start on this line over here, and we are actually going to run or walk as quickly as possible over to that tree over there. Over here. Right here, this tree, and back.
To the camera, right?
So the first one who gets back past the camera
is the winner. 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 Winner.
Winner! The first person back is the winner.
Ready.
You guys ready?
So we are going to place this egg on the spoon.
This is the Egg Race Challenge. Want to thank Johnson & Johnson for working with us on this challenge and reminding us to... I'm sorry, nature just interrupted me. Just wanted to thank Johnson & Johnson for reminding us to unplug and play safe, have some fun, get some fresh air, and balance some eggs, and challenge a friend or a family member.
3, 2, 1, go!
You can't use your hands.
No?
Oh yeah.
I get it.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
They all thought that I touched it. I just went like this. I forgot I wasn't supposed to, so I went like this. So you want to see a replay on this? Because the camera says it all. So.
Don't forget to do your version of the challenge with an egg and a spoon, and we want to see it. So please comment below and tag us and let us know when you do it so we can watch you.
Get out there and have fun. The verdict is in. The winner, Miss Monkey!
Good job!
Yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all.